message of Ma'am Clarice. I'm inviting everyone to please proceed now to the dance floor as we proceed to the dancing. As the dancing continues, of course, I'll turn over the floor now to Heavenly Duo. And of course, I would like to say this finally marks the end of our program, but not our celebration. Thank you so much for coming to the 60th birthday celebration back to 1964 of Ma'am Clarice Apostol. In behalf of Apostol family, thank you for coming tonight. You may now enjoy dancing. Once again, my name is Mal from Celebrity Sports Club. Special thanks, Ma'am Abby Lopez since 2018. Ayan. Special shoutout, Eloquente Catering, malakas sa palakpakan. And of course, our DJ. Ayan. Permission to plug lang, short plug lang, Ma'am Clarice. You can watch me po on my showbiz debut. Alright, abot kami ng pangarap po. GMA Afternoon Prime, starring Carmina Villaruel, Jillian Ward. Episode September 21 to 22, 2023, July 26, 2024. Anak GMA